While the hospitality industry worldwide came to a standstill amid the COVID-19 pandemic, working professionals are using the time to learn new tricks of the trade. And they've turned to a South African-based training centre that offers a unique virtual learning experience. The first students have just graduated. Tanya Neft has more.
It's this attention to detail in the hospitality business that needs to be pristine. But since the pandemic hit, the sector abruptly came to a halt, leaving the silverware unpolished and staff worldwide without work.
You look like a real butler today. Well done.
But these students seized the moment to learn new skills with the first of its kind virtual butler training school.
I was so sad and thinking about people that lose their jobs or, not returning to the ocean liners, and it just hit me saying, go virtual.
And here we are, dreaming in the open.
And a butler is an ultimate touch when it comes to the professional industry, whether you're front of house or whether you're working as a butler. But now more than ever, invest in training, because when you go back into service, they're going to ask you, what did you do during the lockdown or the COVID-19 period? And you're going to say, I did butler training or I did this training, and you're going to have a big foot into the door.
Students from across the globe are able to sign up. These are some of the first graduates from as far as Mexico, Portugal, and of course back home.
I felt it would be a good opportunity for me to enrich my guest service skills and also for me to better serve our guests once all of this is done and over with.
Knowledge is definitely one of the most important aspects of my professional and personal life, and that's the reason why I chose the virtual butler training from SABA. It was an amazing experience.
For me, it's really important to keep improving my skills and growing as a professional, and I am sure that all the knowledge that the SABA share with me will help me in order to achieve all my goals.
This pandemic has affected so many of us in different ways, while these students are choosing to remain positive. And when it's back to business as usual, the hospitality industry best be ready for these qualified professionals. Tanya Neft, Cape Town.